Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Insider, your go-to channel for all things cars. Today, we're diving into a moment we've all been waiting for. The reveal of the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Mataturbo. Buckle up, because this little roadster just got a massive dose of adrenaline. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. Under the hood, Mazda has finally given the Miata what enthusiasts have been dreaming of, a turbocharged engine. The 2025 Mataturbo comes equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged power plant, pushing out an impressive 250 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. That's a huge leap from the naturally aspirated model, giving it the punch it always deserved. And it's not just about the power. Mazda has given the 2025 Mataturbo a few styling tweaks to match its new performance credentials. Check out this aggressive front fascia, wider air intakes, sleek LED headlights, and a new honeycomb grille design. And these 18-inch alloy wheels, perfect for hugging the corners. The rear has also seen some updates with dual exhaust tips and a subtle lip spoiler, hinting at its sporty nature without going overboard. It's still the Miata we love, but with a sharper edging. Step inside and you'll find a driver-fences cockpit, but with a premium touch. The 2025 Mataturbo gets exclusive leather upholstery, red stitching, and aluminum accents. Mazda's infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger 10.25-inch screen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. And for those top-down drives, there's a premium Bose sound system to keep you company. But the real magic happens when you hit the road. Mazda's engineers have worked hard to retain the Miata's legendary balance and lightweight feel. With an updated suspension and refined steering, this turbocharged version feels sharper than ever. 0 to 60, just under 5 seconds, and the 6-speed manual transmission ensures every gear change is a thrill. Fuel economy, surprisingly good for a turbo. Mazda claims you'll still get over 30 miles per gallon on the highway, which is impressive for a car with this much performance. So who is this car for? If you're a die-hard Miata fan, the Turbo finally gives you the power you've been craving without losing that iconic roadster spirit. And if you're new to the Miata world, this might just be the most exciting entry point yet. Starting at an estimated $35,000, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Mataturbo is a game-changer. It's still the lightweight rear-wheel drive roadster we love, but now it's got the muscle to match its charm. That's it for today, folks. What do you think of the turbocharged Miata? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car reviews and updates. Until next time, keep driving, keep dreaming.